Welcome again to the channel. Hope you all doing great. 5 young Jamaican men and a fugitive held on drugs charges in Florida. 5 Jamaican men who allegedly fled with another man who is wanted in connection to a deadly shooting in Brooklyn, United States last month were arrested by police and slapped with drug charges in Florida, United States. Anelka Green was wanted for allegedly firing several shots inside a restaurant in October, resulting in the death of an innocent bystander. According to reports from WJHG News on Tuesday, Green was tracked down to Panama City Beach, Florida, where he was arrested at his condominium with 5 Jamaican men who were described as his associates. The Jamaicans are Jaheim Cox, 19 years old, Shamma Wedderburn, 20 years old, Renato Campbell, 22 years old, Shamari Livingston, 22 years old, and Kavar Taylor, 19 years old, were all charged with possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, possession of MDMA, and possession of paraphernalia. Reports on social media suggest that the Jamaican men are from an inner-city community in the corporate area. Green is also charged with the offences that have been laid against the Jamaicans, but he was slapped with additional offences, including being a fugitive from justice for the charge of robbery and homicide, the media report stated. Further, he is charged with giving false names to law enforcement officials. It is alleged that Green was involved in an argument at a restaurant in Brooklyn in October. Shortly after leaving, he returned and fired several shots into the building. When the shooting subsided, an innocent bystander was found with a bullet wound, and that unidentified person later succumbed to the injuries that were sustained. The United States Marshal Service contacted the Bay County Sheriff's deputies in Florida on November 7th for assistance in locating Green, who the former suspected had fled to Panama City Beach area. Last week, law enforcement officials confirmed that Green was staying at a condominium in Panama City Beach and obtained a search warrant. After the search of the building was concluded, Green and 5 others were detained when several hundred grams of marijuana, MDMA pills, and more than 23,000 United States dollars were seized, the report said. It added deputies say the men were from Jamaica and came to Panama City Beach with Green after he committed the shooting. Interestingly, Green was out bond in New York relative to firearm charge from September of this year, when he allegedly fired shots inside the restaurant in Brooklyn. Jaheim Cox, dancehall artist, stage name JAYBLEM. JAYBLEM is not no artist, he is a big drug dealer. He used music to get American visa for him and his drug dealer friends from Town. I wonder how many guns him sent back to Jamaica to his gunman friends. These youths are the cause of the recent flare-up of crime in the Town area. Good work, law enforcement officials. Get these 6 criminals off the streets. The youth got his opportunity to do good. Instead, him decided being a drug dealer. Much better than a singing career. It seems like dancehall is the main producer of criminals. The occupation is now infested with criminals. Then you all talk about you are ghetto youths and system to like you. None of you are ghetto youths, you all are foreign to the ghetto. Real ghetto youths strive for greatness. For them and their community, JAYBLEM hope you all get a 30-year sentence. Give you guys some rehabilitation time to think where you went wrong. Thanks for watching.